Hi, I'm Joanne, and I'm sitting on one of the projects featured in my new book, Garden Builder. We wanted to create a book that enhanced people's time that they spent in the yard and garden. The book has step-by-step instructions, and it's easy to follow, and there's a lot of close-up photography, so beginner DIYers can easily tackle these projects. Experienced DIYers can use more sophisticated joinery for the projects or even more exotic wood species to create the projects. We tried to include projects that were handsomely functional to purely decorative. From deer and rabbit-proof gardens to raised beds to unique planters, just things that enhance the beauty of the garden. There's nothing really that beats the satisfaction of creating things with your own two hands. So we're appealing to people that share those same values. We hope readers of the book are inspired to create the projects featured in the book itself, but we also hope that doing so will provide further inspiration for a lifetime filled with creativity and joyful days spent in the garden. Thanks for watching, and I hope you buy a copy of Garden Builder and enjoy it.